Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the second in a short series of videos, or series of short videos on the MG5004 DE5418 Test 2 2020. When you've got a question like this and maybe you don't even know where to start, write down what you've got and the facts about what you've got. So you know that V equals pi r squared h, and you're told that that is 200. And you've also given the surface area, and you're asked to optimize the area. So that means you should optimize, should tell you need to find the derivative. At the moment it's a problem because you've got two variables, so it should say, I need to have this area formula either in terms of h or r. So let's go for h. We can rearrange this one then, and now put that back into the rule for a. Tidy that up. What do we get? 400 over r. Now we have our rule all in terms of r, so now we can find the derivative with respect to r. And because we're optimizing, we set it equal to 0. And we rearrange that. And then that gives us that r cubed is 100 over pi, and r then we can find using our calculators as that number. We can put that back in to find h. And we get approximately double that. Now, the next part of the question, you have to show that it is a minimum, which means you need to find the second derivative. And then you have to decide whether it's positive or negative. Given that r must be positive, this always must be positive. And then this tells us that we had a minimum. Now the question didn't ask you to find the volume, so don't, in a test situation, don't do anything you're not asked to do.